2nd of September, Saint William of Roskilde. Saint William was an English priest who was chaplain to King Canute. Accompanying the king on one of the voyages which His Majesty made from England to Denmark, the zealous servant of God was so moved with compassion at the sight of the ignorance, idolatry, and superstition in which so many of the Danes lived that then and there he decided to stay behind to preach Christ and His gospel. He was later advanced to the episcopal see of Roskilde in the island of Zealand. Most of the things related to William have reference to his unwearying efforts to reform the behavior of King Svein Estridsson. Svein having once caused some of his subjects to be put to death, not only without trial but also within the bounds of a church, was confronted by the saintly William who, true to his name, which means strong helmet, held out his pastoral staff and forbade him to enter the house of God till his hands were cleansed from the blood he had unjustly spilt. On seeing some of the courtiers agitatedly draw their swords, he presented his neck, saying he was ready to die in defense of the Church of God. As a result, Svein publicly confessed his crime and later gave some land to the Church of Roskilde as a peace offering. William and his troublesome sovereign had great affection for each other, and for some years the saint and the penitent concurred to promote the cause of religion. Upon the death of the king, his body was temporarily buried in the abbey he was founded at Ringsted, till the cathedral of Roskilde was ready for its reception in the very tomb prepared for William. It is said that while Svein's body was being conveyed from Ringsted to Roskilde, Saint William came out to meet it and himself died at its approach, so that the two friends were borne together to burial. Reflection. Charity may be a very short word, but with its tremendous meaning of pure love, it sums up man's entire relation to God and to his neighbors. As our Lord explained, it is on charity that all the law and the prophets depend.